Welcome guys as we do this other problem. I read the question, express z equals to, open the bracket, -1 plus j, close the bracket, in the form r e raised to j theta, where negative, that is theta is between -pi and pi. And so guys, we now come and do this question. So the first thing guys we are going to do, we are going to draw what we call an Haggard diagram. Haggard diagram. And this diagram guys is where we are going to represent our complex number in form of a diagram. And this is how it's going to be. We have that. This is the x-axis. We have the y-axis. For the x-axis, we represent our real part. Our real part is -1. And for the y-axis, we represent our imaginary part, which is j. Guys, if we draw that line, and we draw that line, wherever they meet, we now draw a line from the center. Guys, with that, we have our line representing the complex number. And the magnitude of that line, which we call m, is the modulus. And the angle theta from this position up to where the line is, we call that argument. So guys, I can write m equals to modulus and theta equals to argument. And so guys, that's what we are going to look for right now. For us to be able to get that, guys, I need to get the phi right there. And then I take away from 180 to get my theta right there. And for that, I could use tan phi equals to, this is 1, and the length of this is still 1. And so therefore, this is 1 all over 1. Guys, since I'm looking for the acute angle, I'll use this as positive and this as positive. And so therefore from there guys, we say tan inverse 1. Guys, this gives us 45 degrees. And so therefore guys, our phi equals to 45. Guys, now we are looking for theta. For theta, we are going to say 180 minus 45. This one now comes to 135 degrees. And so guys, our argument is right here. The next thing guys we are going to look for is the modulus. For the modulus, I can draw that. Here we have m. Guys, we have here 1j, which we can now take 1. And this one we now take also 1. So for m, you have 1 squared plus 1 squared equals to m squared. And therefore, this is now going to be 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to m squared. And we can take the square root on both sides and the square root on this side. And therefore, guys, our m is going to be square root of 2 equals to m. And therefore, guys, our modulus is square root of 2. Guys, now we are required to write our equation z equals to, open the bracket, -1 plus j in the form r e j theta. Remember guys, this r is the modulus and the theta is the argument. And so therefore guys, we shall have r is square root of 2. We write here e raised to j. And then guys, I can write now the argument, which now we've gotten as 135. And so therefore here we have 135. And so guys, this is our solution. Guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.